guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're talking car security and Apple AirTags.
Time it took them
Oh, let's go.
to steal your car.
Hello, ladies.
60 seconds.
A bit like us, you might have thought about one of these for car security, being able to discreetly hide it in your car and then be able to track it through your iPhone on the Find My app. So that might sound really easy. However, there are a couple of tricks and hints that you need to know when using one of these for car security. And rightly so, Apple have included a couple of features within these to make sure that they're not used for absolutely the wrong purposes, for stalking people, for tracking items to be stolen. They've added a couple of features that we'll talk about today that help that, but absolutely don't help you when you're trying to protect your own car. First of these features is that if you have one of these on you and it's not yours and it's not connected to your iCloud, it will send you alerts to say that you are being tracked by an Apple AirTag, which isn't yours. And then you immediately know that there's something on you that shouldn't be there, and you can then start to look for it. The second feature of these is that they actually start to beep, which makes it very easy to find it if you're being stalked or you're being tracked by somebody. So from a security perspective, in those instances, it's really good that it starts to beep to alert those people. But if you're actually installing one of these for your own car security, having the person who stole your car alerted that one of these is in your car by having it beeping is absolutely useless.
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
So what we're going to do today is to show you how to make the Apple AirTag silent. Now this isn't recommended by Apple. The device does come with a speaker, so we will be opening it up, modifying it and popping the speaker off. It will absolutely void your warranty on one of these, but it is apparently easy to do, and it will be the first time we do it today. But I think that gives you more of an ability to protect your car whilst not informing somebody that it is actually being tracked by one of these devices. So we've got a collection of tools with us. We haven't got any plasters, so we're hoping not to cut ourselves. So let's crack on with it and let's see if we can open it. So as you can see, we've got some tools. We've got a handy chopping board. We've got a Stanley knife just to be able to help us pop a few things off if we need to. We've got a couple of Apple AirTags just here, which we'll have to unwrap. Oh, nearly dropped it. There we go, and that activates it, and you might have been able to hear there that it does actually beep when it activates as well. We've got a screwdriver, got a few little small screwdrivers as well, just in case. So let's have a crack at opening it and see how we go. First we remove the rear battery door. You just kind of pinch it and turn it and it should pop off. There we go. And then we remove the battery. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to separate this grey part here from the white edging here. And what there should be is there should be a clip this side, just here. There should be another one on the other side, and there should be another one just over here as well. So what we'll try and do is we'll try and go around, push it in, and we'll try and pop it open. Now there is absolutely a risk here that we will break one of the tabs, and as this is the first time we've done it, we are bound to break one of these. However, you can actually just put a dab of glue on it, glue it back together, and then it'll be right as rain, but we do need to get behind the back to be able to get to the speaker. I don't know if that actually unclipped. Let's see if we can try that again. Or it might have just broken the end of the blade off. There we go. I think that did that one. Hoping that one's done. And there we go. I think that should pull apart. There we go. And I don't think we've broken any of the clips. So I'm hoping no glue will be required. However, I think that one might have broken, but let's see how we go. And we need to remove that speaker to make it silent. And as you can see, it's as easy as that. Just pop it off with a knife, and because it's a speaker, it's actually magnetic, and it'll actually just stick to your knife and come straight off. And that is what the Apple AirTag now looks like. So reassembly is the easy part. You do need to make sure that the tags line up to the appropriate holes, because there is a little connector there for the battery. If you haven't broke the tags, it should just pop back in. No issues. Battery goes in, case should slide back on. And there we go, we have a silent Apple AirTag. Now there are a number of cases that you can use for these to put them in and then locate them in a secret position in your car. A number of them are IPX8 rated, so weatherproof and waterproof, which I think for an old car is a particularly good idea, and depending on where you're putting them, that might be a good thing to do as well. Most of them use 3M tape to secure them, and you can either use that or you can bolt them into a car, and then as the battery goes down, just remove them and replace the battery. We will put a link in the description below to Amazon, where there's a number of the cases that we would recommend to use for your car. Hope you enjoyed the video. Something a little bit different for the channel, but I thought that was probably really helpful for this time of the year, because a number of people would have got these for gifts. But that little beeping could really give away the security device that you've put in your car, and hopefully today this video helps you solve that problem. Please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We are back with air-cooled content very soon. We've got a big new year coming, loads of plans, exciting projects, and something spectacular coming to the channel early, middle of next year. So hit the subscribe button. We will see you later. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.